Human Appeal International Australia presents Sounds of Light 2016. 5 Australian cities and for the first time ever, Auckland, New Zealand. Featuring international sensation Maher Zain. Spiritual singer Mesut Curtis. Muhammad Al-Azawi.
صلاة ربي على من أقام صرح المدينة.
Rising star Harris J.
We can go wherever you wanna.
And comedian Omar
One
Reagan.
time I saw a brother, I was like, hey man, hey, Assalamu alaikum. He was like, not today.
Sounds of Light 2016. An inspiring evening of entertainment to help orphans all around the world. Auckland. Melbourne. Sydney. Adelaide. Perth. And Brisbane. Sounds of Light 2016. Bookings are now open.